Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
It's like the wall got acne. It's actually called a nail pop, and it's relatively common, especially in newer homes, or as the homes begin to settle over time, the fasteners that hold the drywall to the studs can pop out. And I'm going to actually show you guys how to fix it today and save you some money in the long run. So you're going to need 3 tools to fix it. A pew-pew, a pop-pop, and this scrapey thingy. Drop that link! Drop the link! Now, if you're anything like me and you absolutely hate going to the store, don't worry, I'm gonna drop the links. First, we're gonna take our scrapey thingy and expose what type of fastener is below the nail pop. I know what you're thinking. We could stop there. I mean, it really is almost smooth enough to paint over. Nope, that won't fix the problem. It's just gonna come back. So you'll take this end and get in there, yeah. All right. Come closer, boys and girls. What do we have in there? A Phillips screw head. Awesome. Pew-pew time. You have fought a good fight, but in the end, you have lost to the pew-pew. So we'll start by taking our pew-pew and sticking it in that screw and just giving it a little tighten. Boom. It is tight and sunk in well enough that it should not pop out again. Who's in the mood for a little ice cream? Yeah, you probably shouldn't eat that. Anyways, take that and smack it right on in there. Nah, I'm just kidding. Smooth it out nice and smooth. It's okay to protrude a little higher than the actual hole. What was it? Something's missing. What's next? Oh. Hey, babe. We got a sad SpongeBob laying around anywhere?
A what?
That's right, folks. Grab you a sad SpongeBob and go crazy. Smooth to the touch. And now it's time to give it the old landlord special.
Somebody stop me!
Good to go. Nail pop well. Gone like it was never there. And if you enjoyed today's Hood Handyman edition of How to Fix Your House, do me a favor and go ahead and smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and just stick around. More content on the way. I'm here to make you laugh and help you fix your home.